MAKiNG. Today I'm going to be making some clear slime. I'm going to be testing out if this clear glue that I got from the 99-cent store works. So you'll be needing some borax solution, some food coloring which is optional, a bowl, a spoon, some water, and some clear. First I'm going to be taking a bowl and I'm going to be pouring it in my clear glue. I'm going to be pouring in all the 1 ounces. Now I'm going to take some water and I'm just going to be pouring the same amount of water as I did glue. And I'm just going to be mixing it together. Once it's mixed, it's optional to add food coloring, but I'm not going to add any food coloring, I'm just going to leave it clear. So now it's time for your borax mixture. I just poured in 1 cup of hot water and I used half a teaspoon of borax. And I already made this mixture ahead, and I'm just going to be pouring in slowly into my slime. Keep mixing. And let's see if this glue works. It's working, so that means this clear dollar store glue is a PVA glue. I'm just going to be kneading the slime and I'll be back. Since this glue worked, I'm going to be making another batch of this slime and I'm going to combine them. I have another bottle of this glue. I'm just going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to pour in all the glue. I'm going to be pouring the same exact amount of water. And I'm going to add the borax mixture. And I'm just going to knead it. In about 3 or 4 days, it's going to become completely clear. And you could see all the air bubbles in it. So in about 3 or 4 days, I'll update the slime. So I'll update you guys once the slime is clear. This is a clear slime update after 4 days. And as you can see, it's very different. It's jiggly slime, but it's still clear. I'll show you what I did to make this slime colored and glittery. So first, when the slime was clear, I did this yesterday night. When the slime was clear, I added 2 drops of red food coloring to the slime. And I mixed it all together. So then I added some red glitter that I had just lying around, and it created this, and whenever you stretch it out, you can see all the glitters and you can see how clear it is. So this is one of my new favorite slimes. It's jiggly, and I'm going to be making a video on how to make a jiggly slime. And when you make jiggly slime, it makes the slime like 2 times bigger. The glitter does get everywhere, but it's worth it. It looks really nice, and I'm going to be selling this slime on my Depop shop, and I'll link my Depop shop down below. And I'm selling my other slimes too, so you should go check that out. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for more slime videos. And like the video if you enjoyed it. So, bye!